Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish, most wearing, most demanding women, beautiful crochet necklace designs, new ideas, new color combination contrasts. Beautiful designs, beautiful ideas. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy crochet necklace designs. Stylish patterns, knitted patterns, easy to make, easy to wash, beautiful and trendy stylish crochet necklace designs. Woman jewelry ideas, you can see. Every design is different one another. Please friends, watch my video till the end for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. You can wear these very beautiful crochet necklace designs in the birthday party or wedding party with matching dress designs, matching dress colors. Highly running ideas for stylish ladies, you can see in this my video. Beautiful and trendy knitted patterns, you can see also. You can visit my channel and see more collection about crochet, about women fashion, about baby fashion, about home accessories, you can see also. Decoration ideas, you can see. If you want to buy this very beautiful crochet necklace design, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video in my collection. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.